Hello everyone. Please check the link on top of the video for the best weight loss solution on the internet. Before we get started, do you want to lose 3 pounds every week? It's not a big deal to lose 3 pounds. 3 pounds is a small amount of weight to lose and can be done quite easily.But the problem is in the maintenance of that weight. You should adopt a lifestyle that automatically makes you lose 3 pounds every week until you get the body you dream of. Here are the 4 ultra-rare secrets to get you to lose 3 pounds a week. Start walking. Walking is the best way to start losing weight. Walk for at least 30 minutes every day. You can walk to work if it's near or to the gym. Keep walking. Take the stairs. Instead of using the elevator, take the stairs. It makes you lose weight and keeps you healthy. Moreover, stairs sometimes tend to be faster than the elevator. Reduce intake of alcohol. Alcohol increases the acidic content in your body. The fat-burning process is at optimum levels when your body is alkaline. Intake of alcohol slows down the fat-burning process and causes several other problems. But I'm not telling you to completely let go of alcohol. It's okay to drink a glass or 2 once a week. Avoid beer and drink red wine instead. Stop eating junk foods if you are addicted to or eat foods like pizzas, chickens from shops like KFC and other processed foods. You have to reduce their intake. It is extremely vital that you do follow the step.Excessive MSG and other chemicals present in these foods tend to slow down your body's fat-burning process. I'm not telling you to completely cut down on junk foods. Eating them once every week or every 2 weeks is better than eating them every day.